busy and tiring. So yeah. A cute penguin. Look how cute this is. And to subscribe to this channel.
And it goes a little something like
Hello CCS Fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Sunday, October 13th. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. I want to post this video for tomorrow so you guys can have a little video to watch during Thanksgiving. I'm so thankful to you guys for the support that you guys keep on showing us. If you are new here, my name is CCS and I am the owner and founder of CCS, and we sell handmade beauty accessories, scrunchies, bonnets, anything handmade. That is us. We are a small business, black owned business, and we recently turned 5 just this September. And if you guys want to watch the video, I will link it down below. It was such a fun experience, and we are super grateful for all the support that you guys are giving to us in the past and currently. Today's video is another vlog since you all really enjoyed our last one. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Make sure to watch all the way to the end so you don't miss out the special announcement. Hey guys, so I made it to my school. I have my 8:30 class today. And yeah, I have my stuff here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait until like 8:30 and then I'm gonna go to my class. Okay guys, so basically I have my drink over here. I'm just gonna eat my lunch and then I'm going to get back to study. Guys, literally the weather is so beautiful. Today was a busy day, busy and tiring. So yeah. Okay guys, so I am going to the food court to meet my sister. Oh my god. Came to check out this store that I've been meaning to check out. They sell like cute plushies. I think that's how you call them, plushies. The cute piglet. Oh, there's also a cute penguin. Look how cute this is. Yeah, I'm just checking them out because like their things are super cute. came to the mall because my sister had to get some for school, and now we're about to go home. And yeah, so if you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Anyways, it is time for the special announcement. We are going to be restocking our bows. Literally, we launched our bows 2 to 3 months ago. Like, we just went with the trend. Like, we didn't really expect much out of it. We went out of stock literally 3 weeks after launching, and that is amazing. Like, for me, that just shows that you guys are really there. Like, you guys loved the bows. So just because you guys love the bows, we are going to be restocking them in about 2 to 3 weeks. So stay tuned for that. If you want to be notified of everything that's going on behind the scenes, any special news or anything like that, don't forget to follow my Instagram, my TikTok, and to subscribe to this channel. Anyways, take care, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.